Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you a simple yet useful feature on your Infinix Note 30 5G. How to enable the Show Taps option. This feature allows you to see visual feedback every time you tap on your screen. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your device. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on System. Scroll down again and then tap on Developer Options. If you don't see Developer Options from the System menu, you'll need to unlock it first. Once you're in the Developer Options menu, scroll down to the Input section. Here, you'll find the Show Taps option. Tap to turn on the switch next to it to enable the feature. When enabled, your device will show visual feedback for screen taps, making it easier for you to track your on-screen actions. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the Show Taps feature on your Infinix Note 30 5G. This feature is especially useful for those who do screen recording or live streaming. It provides a clear visual cue for your audience to follow along. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks on this channel.